Viewers, welcome back to my channel Pharmacypedia. This is Dr. Shikha Chauhan, and in this session we are going to discuss very important tips for interview preparation in pharmaceutical industry. My dear students, believe me, if you follow these 5 tips, you are going to excel in your interview. So let us just try to explore these interview tips and what sorts of the preparation is required before going for your interview. Without wasting the time, let us begin the session. Before that, if you have still not subscribed to my channel Pharmacypedia, please do like, share and subscribe to Pharmacypedia for getting further updates and important content related to pharmacy. So the very first thing which you should do before appearing for any interview is you have to prepare your introduction very well. Yes, in each and every interview, the very first question always asked is prepare your introduction. They always ask for your brief introduction. So what are the various things you have to take care before speaking about yourself that you need to understand. So self introduction in interview is very important. What are the things you should tell? What are things you should not tell? That you have to prepare yourself well before your interview. Now I am not going to tell you here what you should speak upon. That I am going to discuss in detail in my another session videos prepared specifically for this purpose. See, my dear students, there is not a defined formula for the introduction. The brief thing is that it should be crisp, it should be to the point, and it should be confident. The second thing you should do is that you should explore and get all the fine details about the company in which you are planning to give the interview. So my dear students, whatever company you are going to give the interview, you should know the brief background of the company, history of the company. You should know about the board of directors. You should know what profile you are going to you are going to get, and accordingly you need to understand the company culture and the organizations in the news, like that. You should know each and everything in finer details about the company, what kind of their products they do have, what kind of the specialization they have, whether it is a diversified company or like that. Third very important thing is that you should assess yourself, your strengths and weaknesses. Each individual is unique, each individual is different, and they have different sorts of the strength and weakness. But the very important thing is that you should assess yourself, what are your key strengths and key weaknesses. One thing important here I would like to mention is that your weakness should be explained in a way that it should not be exactly a weakness. The point is that there is no point of speaking up and discussing your weakness over there. So it is something which you can improve upon once you decide yourself. So your weakness has to be presented in a smart way. The next thing very important is the technical preparation. Why I am focusing here technical preparation? Because in pharmaceutical industry, interviews can be for the production department, for the pharmacovigilance department, for the pharmaceutics department, product development department. It can be for the chemistry department. Now it depends on the kind of the position you're going to appear, so that you have to prepare accordingly. For example, if you're going to prepare for the pharmacovigilance department, you should know what are the different softwares which they work upon. If you're going to work for the regulatory affairs department, you need to understand each and every regulatory guidelines in plane. And then what are the latest trends, what are the changes in the guidelines, what are the different regulatory bodies around the world. So for each and every sort of the department, you have to prepare accordingly. So I'm going to share in future also the specific key questions being asked in the respective department in the pharmaceutical industry that is going to help you. If you have any comments in the comment box, you want me to share anything upon that, you can write in the comment section as well. And last very important thing is that you should know why you want to join that specific organization, because this question is generally being asked, and it is something tricky. You should tell in a way that why you want to join that and what was the purpose of leaving the earlier organization. So both the questions are somewhere related around why did you left the previous organization. So in that way you can simply tell about the opportunities, areas you are finding in that organization, and about your key skill sets also. So if you work upon these 5 interview tips, I'm sure you're going to excel in your interview. If you want me to make something important regarding any specific sort of the interview questions, I'm always there to answer that. You can provide your views in the comment section as well. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe to Pharmacypedia for getting further updates and important content related to pharmacy. Thank you so much everyone. Stay happy, stay tuned.